Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by setting your slide size to 16, 9 for modern displays and consistent viewing. Pick a simple color palette of 2 to 3 colors and stick to it across all slides. Use a clear sans serif font for headings and body text to improve legibility. Set headings at 24 pt and body text between 12 pt and 18 pt for comfortable reading. Keep generous margins equal to 1/4 of the slide width to avoid crowding. Maintain consistent alignment for a professional, polished appearance. Focus each slide on one main idea with up to 3 supporting elements for clarity. Use a consistent grid or 1-inch margins to align text and visuals across every slide. Choose fonts that pair well, for example, a bold heading and a neutral body font. Use larger line spacing to improve reading and avoid dense paragraphs. Apply bold or a 25% opacity overlay on images to boost text contrast and legibility. Test slides at actual screen size to confirm balance and spacing. Select high-resolution images, ideally at least 1920 pixels wide, to ensure crisp display on large screens. Crop images tightly and respect the rule of thirds to create balanced composition and visual focus. Use icons and simple charts to convey data rather than dense tables or long lists. Keep animations minimal, using appear or fade effects only, and limit to 2 per slide to avoid distraction. Export the final deck as a PDF, or share a view-only link to preserve layout and font.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.